evening all. We are just about to put the camera traps out for the evening. This is Saturday. No, it's not Saturday.
It's Friday the 10th still.
Good Friday. Yeah, so we're just about to put the camera traps out in the back garden. So we've got two camera traps. Let me just show you what they are. Okay, so the first camera is
Maginon.
Magnum.
Maginon.
Maginon.
But all one way.
P-I. Maginon. M-A-G-I-N-O-N-O? No. Magin. Anyway, we bought this one, it's got to be going on for 5 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we bought this one from Aldi. And this one, they're both night vision. This one records sound as well, but the other one doesn't. But that's the good thing about that one. But the bad rubbishy bit about this one is you can't always see what it's filming until it's too late.
No, but today.
So
it has got a little screen.
It's got a little screen inside, but obviously you've got it. It's
viewing.
Part of the door, so as you open it, you move it. So yeah, so there's a SD card somewhere in there.
Yeah.
A little SD card. I have no idea how it works because I never do it. How does it work? You
switch on the bottom.
And that's all you do?
Yeah.
You set it going. So how many takes batteries?
Yeah.
How many batteries? Oh my god.
They last ages.
157 batteries. Yeah, so that's the first one. So, and this is the other one, so it's longer and flatter. So this is a what?
Minox.
Minox, whatever that says. Well,
DTC 400.
DTC, right, so this one doesn't record sound, but, which is the...
It's got the setup's easier on this one. When you turn it on.
Oh, I don't know if that's picking it up. Yeah, you can see you've got a screen there. So you can, hello! You can actually see, when you set it up, you can see what it is seeing. So, yeah, so we bought that one, about the same sort of time, wasn't it? That was the first one we bought.
Yeah.
Where did you buy that one? Norfolk?
One Stop Nature Shop. One Stop Nature Shop.
We went, did we buy it off online?
No,
or
we went to the shop.
We actually went to the shop, but they have got an online shop, haven't they? So that one was, can you remember how much that one was?
I think it was about £100.
Yeah, but they're not in, they don't make them anymore, do they?
And say that was 5 or 6 years ago.
And the other one, the Lidl one,
was about 45.
yeah, which you can still get that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, right. So we're going to attach that to the washing line. Hang on, we'll just sort it in a minute. Right, so he's tied it to my washing line post. He's angled it down with a carrier bag to get it in the right sort of position. So now you're going to test what it can see. Up. Okay, so you need to angle it down a bit, I think.
Okay.
Okay, so we've angled the bag a bit better at the back. You don't have to use a carrier bag. And it's got what we want in, that's better. Right, okay.
And on is all the way down.
Okay, so that one's, whoop. Oh no.
Lift it together. It's got a silly little flap there.
Oh, see, it's changed it again now. Oh no. Right, we'll sort that out. Anyway, you get the drift, get the idea. Oh, right. You reckon that's all? Okay, so it is sort of like looking at this little seedy thing. So we'll put some bait of some sort in later on when it's darker. There's no point doing it now because the seagulls will get it. Yes, that's that one. Okay, so, right, so we've put this one by the side door on the path. You already set it going, so it will just pick up anything that comes along this path. So that's where we got the hedgehogs the other day. Night, not day, the other night. So, we'll see what they pick up in the morning. See you later. Hello, it is Saturday the 11th, I think
so.
of April 2020, and we've just come out to get the camera traps in, and then we'll take it up and see what we've captured. Probably a load of cats, I expect. Hedgehogs. We had a giant mouse the other day, didn't we?
Yes.
So we shall see.